Record.
Okay. Hey Kevin.
Hey Kevin.
How you doing? This is Minister Mary. We are at Christian Law Missionary Baptist Church, and we are having a good time, baby. We hope you are. And Mama love you. She always will. And you take care of yourself, and I'll be glad when you come home. I hope you get your care packet so you can laugh at what Mama sent you. And this is Minister Mary. She preached today. So come on, Minister Mary, and tell Kevin something.
Jesus love
hey,
you.
Kevin.
Be blessed. Be safe, boy. We love you.
We love you, son.
This is Deacon Joe White.
You know who I am.
Amen. Come on, Brother Luster, and you say something to my baby.
Jesus love you, Kevin.
Amen. Kevin, you know we love you. This is Brother Luster. Get down, Brother Luster. This is Brother Luster here. Amen. Tell him something, Brother Luster.
We love you. Take care of yourself.
Amen.
Try to take care of yourself.
Amen.
Right.
And we'll be glad when you come home.
Glad when you come.
Yeah, Dee is recording us, and you know she know how to do everything.
Yeah.
Amen.
God bless her.
He's in Afghanistan. Amen. Yes, Lord. And Minister Baby's going to continue to preach and pray for you. And don't forget, we'll be glad when you come home, baby. It's going to be all right.
Okay.
Just do like Mama said, look to the hills which come at your help, because all your help comes from the Lord.
Amen. Amen. See you later, Kevin.
Gotta go to the funeral. Minister Mary, she gotta go. She going to Miss Juanita's funeral. That's Deacon Robertson's mother-in-law, Miss Juanita Stewart. She going to Woodlawn to the funeral. Don't forget, baby, to pray. I know that God's going to work it out for all of y'all. And keep on praying and keep on looking up. Mama know you can do it. Yes, Lord. She know you can do it. She know her baby can do it. Hold on. It's going to be all right. And don't forget to pray for Pastor Tate. He's coming on fine. And he will be all right too. Everybody's praying for you. And don't forget that we love you. And when you come home, it's going to be a big homecoming. Amen. God bless you. We love you. Bye-bye.